Hey guys, welcome to my channel if you're new. Welcome back if you're one of my subscribers. If you're new, hit that subscribe button. If you're not familiar with BREO Box, it's a monthly subscription that comes with a lot of cool, interesting, different tech stuff. It's definitely been worth its value. I can put all the details in the video description. It guarantees that it comes with a certain value worth of products. So it has definitely been worth more than what you pay for it. It's a subscription that you get, I believe, I want to say three or four times in a year, depending on what you do, or you can get like a one-off box, which is typically, depending on what you do, is what I do. I did do 1 year before, and then now I'm doing just kind of some one-offs just to show you guys the different unique stuff. So they are themed. I don't know what this theme is. It's really cool because it comes in one box, as you can see, and then it comes with a secondary box, and then it comes well packaged, and then it comes with your description. So this is the fall 2025 box, and then all the cool stuff I'm going to put there, and then it comes with, this is really well padded, so it's pretty cool. And you have your box of stuff. Let's get into it, shall we? Oh, actually, that's kind of cool. So, I do a lot of grilling, so this is definitely going to be, for me, since it is summer. Don't know where to begin, so I'll just start with this one. You got a Click to Cook, dual nozzle barbecue lighter and blower. So this is good for the charcoal grill, or if you have like a wood smoker. So it has your lighter on one side and your blower on the other. I can open these up if you'd like. Let me know in the comments. Maybe I'll do another unboxing and actually open all of these up and show you. Maybe I'll still do that. Then this one is the wet dry handheld vacuum. Oh, I've been needing one of these for my car. So it is a very small, strong, powerful vacuum. I'm definitely going to pull this one out in a minute. So you can use this for your car, for your laptops, for any small little thing that you want to do. My new car is very small, so I can definitely make use of this in the new car, especially with all the dog hair I keep bringing into it with these, all my pets. So, oh, I wish I would have had these for the cruise that I went on. You have your Mini Scout 7 by 18 millimeter compact sports binoculars. So you have a little pair of binoculars, and that's the details on them. I'll be putting the price like over here as I show each of these. Then you have this, and I needed this for my daughter's bathroom, but you have your toiletries, get organized, razor tile, hold strongly, removes cleanly, mirrored glass. So you have that, and it's basically to hang your razor blade on it and keep it nice and clean and off the bottom of your shower. Looks like you could probably maybe hold more than one. It shows only one, but you could probably finagle more than one in that. I'm gonna have to try that out because me and my wife leave ours on the edge of the shower stall, so you have to change that out. And then, what's summer without having your corksicle? So it looks like it is a corksicle, as I can't say that right, corksicle cup. It is a 12 ounce or 355 milliliter. Keeps cold for 9 hours. So that is cool. So you have your cup for summer. So when you're out in the hot, and I love that because you can latch it open and closed. And then it pure taste ceramic interior for maximum enjoyment. And then it has your on the inside. That's nice. So let's open these up. It looks like it also has a kitty in there. No, it doesn't come with cat. This is our newest kitty to the family. Unfortunately, Shadow passed away, and yeah, I'll have to get into that in another video. But that is everything that the box comes with. I definitely want to get into this vacuum real quick and check it out. Yeah, so it does come with all the accessories. Nice. So it comes with all your different accessories and that. So tell me what you think of this month's subscription. Is it worth it? And should I continue getting these? Comment below. And check out all the other YouTube videos I have. I have absolutely hundreds of them. And take care. Bye.